Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jay. This is Make Money with Jay, and this is just a quick update video because a lot of my videos I have been showing you where you can get some free printables, some free colouring pages, some free activity pages, and I show you where to get them from on my website. But I messed my website up. I don't know what I did, but I messed it up, so I had to restart it, guys. So when you come back to it, it won't look the same. So in any of these videos what tell you where you can get them free, it's not going to look like this. This is my new website. Still the same, christmaseverydayclub.com, but I've tried to make it a little bit more friendlier. So you come on here, you can have a look at the blog post if you want. I mean, this space here is going to fill up. The more a blog post put on, the more it fills this gap up, guys. So here is the colouring pages, whereas before you had to go to where fun and activities and scroll down to freebies. Now you just come down to colouring pages, or you scroll down to activity pages, printable party games, you name it, guys, you can get it. So you come over here, click on any of the pictures, and like I said, the more I put on, the more it's going to fill up here. So you can just come here and then just click on the picture if you want, and then it's scroll down and it's here, the colouring pages. So here is the Under the Sea. You've got your Queen's Platinum Jubilee. You've got football, soccer in America, and I'm going to add more and more as the time goes on, guys. So bear with me, keep coming back, checking, and there'll be more on it. If you want any of these, there's two ways you can download it. You can either click the download, or you can right click it and then save image, and it'll save it as a PNG. I think when you click that, it comes down as a zip file. But guys, that is it. So like I said, if you've watched any of these videos and you hopefully the links will take you straight to the colouring page. But if they don't, then it'll probably take you to the website, but it'll say not found. All you have to do then, guys, is click on the home button, and it'll bring you back to the main page, and then you just scroll down to whatever you want, if you want colouring pages, etc. So that is it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and comment below if there's any certain colouring pages or activity pages that you want, like different themes, like animals, zoo, I don't know, mermaids, you name it, guys. There's lots of different colouring pages out there. I'll make them for free. So if you like it, give us a thumbs up. If not, give us a thumbs down. Until next time, guys, thanks for watching. Goodbye.